In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to streamline your writing process or simply want to work without distractions, disabling Copilot is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through each step. To get started, you'll want to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you've got Word up and running, you'll need to navigate to the top menu bar. Look for the tab marked File. It's usually found on the far left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options to choose from. Among these options, you'll want to find and select Options. This action opens up the Word Options window, which contains a variety of settings customized for your needs. In the Word Options dialog box, you'll notice a list of categories on the left-hand side. Now, these categories are designed to help you quickly locate and adjust the settings you're interested in. What you're looking for specifically is the tab labeled Copilot. Take a moment to find it and then give it a click. This will bring up all the settings related to Copilot AI. Inside the Copilot tab, your next task is to search for a setting that reads something like Enable Copilot. This setting determines whether Copilot AI is active or not. Once you've spotted it, you'll see that there should be a checkbox next to it. Currently, if Copilot AI is enabled, this box will be checked. To disable the feature, go ahead and uncheck this box. Simple as that. This tells Word that you no longer wish to use Copilot AI in your documents. Now here's an important step that shouldn't be overlooked. To ensure that these changes take full effect, you'll need to restart Microsoft Word. Go ahead and close Word entirely. Then just reopen the application to make sure everything is updated with your new preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off Copilot AI in Microsoft Word. This means the AI will no longer provide its suggestions or assistive features while you're working, allowing you to focus solely on your writing or any other tasks you're working on. If you decide later that you miss those AI features, you can always follow these steps again to re-enable Copilot. Thank you for tuning into this instructional guide on adjusting your Microsoft Word settings. Hopefully, this quick walkthrough has helped you manage your tools better and improve your overall workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and check out other guides for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace.